Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reprint a shipping label on eBay without paying twice. Let's begin. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account button. You can choose from personal or business, and all you're gonna do is provide your full legal name, email, and password, or you can simplify the process by clicking on the continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. Now, if you need to reprint a shipping label on eBay without paying twice, you can do so by following these simple steps. Now, if you are using a seller's hub, the interface might be different, but right now I'm using my eBay, and all you're gonna do is click on the selling or my summary. Click on that. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on the shipping labels down here. Click on that. Now here, once you find the item right here, locate the specific order for which you need to reprint the shipping label. Now if you're still following, click on the order to view its details, and you should see the options related to shipping and printing labels, right? And look for an option to reprint the shipping label, because eBay typically allows you to reprint labels for a certain period after the initial purchase without being charged again. Normally, on the left side of the order, you should see an option wherein actions down here, and from there you can click on reprint label. It's very easy. Now, if you encounter any issues or if you're concerned about being charged twice, you may simply click on the help and contact. You can contact eBay customer support anytime you want it. Now from here, they can help you resolve any billing concerns, ensure that you are not charged repeatedly for reprinting shipping labels, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.